Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play 7-key Mania. We will start by understanding the basic setup and key assignments. This easy method focuses on building a strong foundation for rhythm gaming. You will learn how to position your hands effectively and react to notes as they descend. Our goal is to make your initial experience smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for future success. Proper key layout is crucial for 7-key Mania. For the left hand, assign keys to your pinky, ring, middle, and index fingers. On your right hand, use your index, middle, and ring fingers for the remaining 3 keys. This symmetrical setup allows for efficient movement and reduces strain. Practice placing your fingers on the home row without looking, ensuring comfort and readiness for incoming notes. Reading notes and timing your presses correctly are fundamental. Notes descend from the top of the screen, and you must press the assigned key exactly when they align with the judgment line at the bottom. Pay close attention to the song's rhythm and the visual flow of the notes. Begin with songs around 100 to 120 beats per minute to comfortably practice your timing and build consistency. To truly master 7-key Mania, consistent practice is key. Aim for daily sessions lasting between 15 and 30 minutes to reinforce muscle memory. Start with easier charts and slowly progress to more challenging ones as your accuracy and speed improve. Prioritize hitting notes precisely rather than just quickly. Watching your replays can also highlight specific patterns or keys where you need more practice, helping you refine your technique.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.